Well, looks like Amazon wins again. Looks like Amazon won this round. I was on there buying something totally unrelated. Well, related because it was color pencils, but not related to this. And I saw another set of 520 pencils, so I couldn't say no. But here they are. There is another giant box. It's a brand that I did need to check out anyway, so it wasn't a total impulse buy. Just, like I would say 50%-ish impulse buy, but let's get a little bit of comparison for the size of this box. Here's the yellow box for Brute Feeders. You can see here, this is the size comparison, a little bit bigger. Let's check the flower box, and I'm only going to pull up one because you can just kind of double it. Still a little bigger right here. Looks like, let's flip this up, that it's not as deep as two of the boxes. It's as deep as about, 1.5 boxes deep. So I'm very curious how these are packaged in here, but let's look. There's the name, Kalour pencils. You probably saw it when I flipped it a second ago, but they are here. Let's go ahead and untape these. I'm trying to decide the best if they're coming from this way or this way. The box kind of open. It looks like it's this way. Okay, let's get the pen. Let's get the scissors. You ready? Okay. I have no idea what these are going to look at. I purposefully did not look at the listing that much. I saw the listing and I clicked it and then I added it to cart so that I wouldn't be surprised. I have no idea how these are packaged in here. So this is going to be a total surprise. I've never used Kalour before, so this is going to be interesting. Okay, this is an interesting box. It is one box in here. And it looks like the size of the flower box. So I'm very curious how they fit them all in here. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is like paper, but interesting raffia paper here for the handle. So yes, that is pretty hefty. It is thicker than a flower box right here. Let's take these off here. Whoop. Little piece of cardboard popped out. So these are their premium expert line right here. You can see the box. We're gonna switch over to the desk cam now. I think you'll be able to see it a little bit better. Let's pop these down so you guys can read along. Let's zoom it all the way out. So right here, so you can see it shows that these are the premium color pencil, soft touch, expert, artist, premium quality, rich and vibrant colors, soft smooth lead, non-toxic, good. So if I decide I want to eat these, they will not hurt me. Good to know. It is such a big box. Here's that handle I was telling you about that's kind of like raffia, but coated. It's an interesting thing on the back. Kind of see what it all says. Kalour, PS brand, vast and variety of color range. I should hope with 520 pencils that this has a good variety of color range. Soft core lead, highly pigmented, 520 unique, vibrant colors, no duplicate. Suitable for precision coloring and filling, ideal for drawing, illustrating, coloring, break resistant, soft, smooth, quick. Professional grade artist quality, unsuppressible light fast. I did not look up their light fast stuff. Light fast to me doesn't mean a whole lot. I know for some people it's huge. It doesn't matter a lot with what I do because typically it's in a book and it gets closed up and it doesn't really see a whole lot of light. Every level of expertise, smooth color laydown, vast color range with number and color name. Okay, so we're gonna get a number and a color name. So that is a step up from the yellow box. The yellow box from Brute Feeders did not have color names, it only has numbers. Okay, let's see if I can get this thing open. Okay, was not expecting this. We have a box inside a box. It is boxception. So, I'm going to switch over to the face cam here so you guys can see the box come out. It is a tin. It is a heavy tin. Okay, and this may lose for usability right here. Like, the other ones come in these nice little drawers that are easy to get in and out. This I'm now questioning. So we'll see once we get inside what this is like. So go back to desk cam. We will cut off. Get started here, this plastic. Open this tin and see what's inside. Okay, it comes with a swatch sheet. That's gonna be interesting. It folds and folds and folds. A little big. This could be interesting to use in real life. Ooh, let me make sure it's on frame. So yeah, that exists, but it gives you a good like spot to do it. All the names. I see metallics. These. Okay, I just saw this. These may actually already be in actual color order. The Brute Pruners are in this interesting order that they like made up, that like each tray is its own order. These are looking like they are, look at this, look. Okay, I'm also looking at these and thinking these look a lot like Artez's. But look at this. Okay, I was thinking that until this little guy came into the picture. Yellow, fluorescent yellow green. Okay, this is gonna, when these swatch, I'm gonna have a lot of questions. Oh, but look at this. This is nice. Do they not all have it? Why does that one, okay. This one doesn't have the little thingy. Why did only that one get the fun little lifter? Like, I'm going down, okay. These appear to be a color order until you get something like this. And we suddenly got light coral between asparagus green and crystal green. Okay, this is very interesting. Yeah. Why did one of them have the nice little lifty up thing and the rest are just kind of here? They're movable. They do come up okay. The purples. This is following the basic, it's not following the basic Prisma color order. It's following its own order. Okay, looks like I've got some metallics. The metallics appear to be mixed in. We've got some pastels here. Drab green, purple gray, so it's a very interesting order. Okay, and then we go back from blacks into browns, it looks like. So, okay, so this is going to be interesting. And we've got another one of the nice little lifty bits. And that one has a lifty bit. I don't know why some of the trays got the little lifty elastic and some didn't. So, it's very interesting with these. So, that is what I can tell you from first look. I'm not going to color with them yet. I am going to make swatch charts for these, so we will get to, that will be another video. I have a feeling this is going to be a couple of videos looking at these. I will be trying to get a good order, just like I did with the Brute Pruners as well with it. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick unboxing of these. I have questions. I'm sure you do too. And drop your questions down in the chat, or in the, not the chat, but in the comments. So that way in the next video, I can hopefully answer some of your questions about these. And that will be it for today. So until next time, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You know the YouTube stuff. It's pretty normal. And I'll see you next time.